Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare two of the most important tracking tools in Microsoft Project, Baseline, and Actuals. These are not separate platforms, but within Microsoft Project, they play a huge role in helping project managers understand where a project stands and whether it's on schedule or going off track. I'll explain how each one works, how they compare, and why the relationship between the two is so critical in real-world project management. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's look at what these terms actually mean. A baseline in Microsoft Project is like a frozen copy of your original plan. Once you've laid out your tasks, timelines, and costs, you can save a baseline to lock that plan in place. It captures your expectations, what you thought would happen. This includes planned start and finish dates, durations, work, and costs. From there, as your project moves forward, you begin entering actuals, which reflect what's truly happening. These include actual start dates, actual finish dates, how much work has really been done, and what the actual costs are so far. Now, this is where things get interesting. Comparing the baseline to actuals gives you insights into how closely your team is sticking to the original plan. For example, if a task was supposed to take 5 days but actually took 8, you'll see that variance immediately. And it's not just about dates. Variance fields in Microsoft Project can show you differences in cost, effort, and even resource usage. That's incredibly useful if you need to make mid-project adjustments or communicate updates to stakeholders. Next up, let's talk about how you can actually use this in practice. Once your schedule is approved, you set the baseline. From there, as your work progresses, you update each task with actual data. Microsoft Project makes it easy to view both side by side, especially with tracking Gantt, View, or built-in variance tables. You'll see planned bars and actual bars right on the same timeline, which helps you visualize progress clearly. And if things are off course, you can start making informed decisions, like reallocating resources or shifting timelines to get things back on track. Now, the great thing is you can store up to 11 baselines in a single project. That means if your project gets re-scoped or adjusted, you can save a new version without losing the original. That flexibility is especially helpful in long-term or complex projects where plans often evolve. So which one matters more? Well, the truth is they work best together. The baseline shows you what you aimed for. The actuals show you where you're at. You need both to measure performance, identify issues early, and keep your project under control. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.